G'day, I'm Belinda. I'm from Reverse Garbage Queensland and we're here to do the first unboxing video for our mail order boxes. Reverse Garbage Queensland use industrial offcuts and excess materials for all sorts of craft and STEM purposes. We ship boxes all over Australia and we have a warehouse in Brisbane that you can visit to get your materials. And we're going to explore today our sound waves and musical instrument box. So let's see what's in the box. Now this is a large box, so this has enough for an entire classroom of children. We also do have small boxes and family-sized packages. So in our box we always have some information about us and also some instructions and advice on how you can use the materials in the box. Oh, what do we have? Wadding, good for decoration and also absorbs sound in case the instruments are too noisy. Paper strips, some knitting needles. Now you might wonder about the knitting needle, but the knitting needles work really well as drumsticks or other things. And we give you a range of different metal pieces that can be hit together, strung on ribbon, and they all make different sounds. You can explore with the kids how the different sounds are made and the different pitches. Sticky foam for decoration, because one of the things most kids love is decorating their instrument, because you need to be able to tell one kid's masterpiece from another. More decorations, we have stickers, we have sticky circles, and we have coloured lycra. Fabric and fake fur. Lighting gels in all sorts of colours. One of the things we get lots of are samples. So here we have some colour bond samples that can be used to hit together, and we also have wood samples that we often include.
Sorry Belinda, I have a very slow brain, but what would you use the fake fur and the fabric for?
So the fake fur and the fabric are great for decoration, mainly, is what we would use it for. Mm-hmm. So a lot of kids, if you're doing a band concert, may want to make sure that their instruments match their outfits or their favourite animal. Yeah. So we have lots of different fabrics and stickers because you'll find in a class, 8 kids might be making drums. Yeah. Every kid needs to know which is their drum.
Oh, cool.
We also have tent pegs. Tent pegs are fantastic. You can hit them together, or as we were talking about, if you want the simplest instrument to make, we can easily make a triangle in a few seconds. Hang one of our shelving braces, and you know the kids are going to love making that noise. We also have lots of bottle top lids. Now bottle tops are great if you want to make finger castanets. Oh. You can also use our sticky foam to stick them together, and then the kids can draw on them or decorate them. Plastic containers. Now these look kind of strange, but what we discovered in the warehouse, and it's a fun thing to do when working, is to see what we can make noise out of, is by using a range of rubber bands in different thicknesses and some hair bands. And you can make a stringed instrument.
That's my favourite.
And our instructions also talk about, you can talk to the kids about how if they put their finger down, with the thicker elastic, the shorter, the wider, how that affects the pitch and the tone of the musical instruments. Plus then you can decorate it.
Mm-hmm.
I know some kids wanted to make it look more like a guitar, so then we use strips of the card to put a handle on it.
Right.
We have more ribbon, which you can use for making wind chimes or hanging the various instruments from and the different metal pieces if you want to do something that hangs and then people can whack them.
Mm-hmm.
We also have some of these containers, which you could do the rubber bands over to make a drum, but we also can use vinyl offcuts, and lycra works really well. And here, I'll show you what I made earlier, because you've got to cut it to size, and then everyone can have a drum, which again can be decorated. We can also do the same thing with different size plastic containers and with the tubes. Again, cover the top and the kids can explore putting different material on. You can even try some of the fabrics over the top and see how they sound. It depends on the kids and what noise they want it to make as to how they do it. One of the great things with this is having the kids explore the different way things can make sounds. We have some nice fringing because everyone's drum needs some fringe. Lots of tubes, so you can have enough for every kid in the class to make a drum. Some stars for decoration. And some beautiful jewels, which can be used to decorate the different instruments or hang down if you're making wind chimes. Okay. More tubes, as I said, different sizes, different widths. So
which means different pitches as well, doesn't it?
It does.
So you could have a little percussion ensemble.
Yeah. The kids can try different ones, and you can make small ones to hit with your fingers, large ones, or you can even tape them together to make a set of bongo drums or different size ones. Some square tubes, again, you can try, and these work well as drums as well. The square tubes, though, also work very well along with our little containers. These are baby water bottles. They're unextruded water bottles. And they are great for making maracas. So what we'll give you is a range of little things to add in. You can also always add your own. So give it a few things.
So what are you adding there, Belinda?
I have some screws and some metal nails.
Mm-hmm.
Very simple instruments, but lots of fun. Again, decorate them up however you would like them to be, and they work really well. For those who wanted bigger things to hit with, we have plastic drumsticks that would work. And we also have tent pegs or tent poles. You can see that the type of drumstick you use affects the noise. The kids can explore different ones. You can have some kids with small drums, some kids with larger drums, as you said, to get different pitches and different sounds. We have foam circles that can also be used over the top to explore a different sound. It's a much softer sound, but they're already cut to circles, which is easier for some smaller kids. And we have leather. So if you do want an all-natural drum, you can go with the leather on the cardboard tube and use some of the rope tied around, and it's also all natural.
Yep.
Lots of rope and string. Some plastic things to put inside the maracas. Again, the kids can explore how many things to put in and the noises the different things make. More decorative instrument items to include. We have some straws that can also be put together.
Oh.
And you can cut them to length and try and use them to make whistles and
Kazoos.
holes in them. You can try and make kazoos. You can also use the balloon sticks to make kazoos. More tubes. We also have wood. And everyone knows if you give kids a couple of pieces of wood, they're going to bang them together. So you can bang them together. We also have some lovely wood with ridges. And all our wood is different, so makes slightly different sounds. And the kids can explore the wood alone, the wood with the metal tent pegs, and try the different options. We have some other card pieces which can be used to make lids for drums. You can also use these to make the base for guitars. Or you can use them to cut the shapes out. A lot of people also just cut them and string the elastic bands over, and you can make a harp shape, you can make whatever shape instrument you would like. And the kids can explore and see if it does make any difference. Some coloured paper samples, again for decoration, because we think it's important that everyone's masterpiece suits them. So we have a range of fabrics, paper, and other things that kids can use to put it all together. And more of the boxes, because we thought these look a lot, when you fold it up, like the base, the neck of a guitar.
Oh yeah.
So you could use this as the base of the guitar with the cardboard and make the shape you want. You can make the rockiest rock star guitar in a teardrop shape or anything else you like. So that is one example of what's in one of our boxes. As you can see, there's plenty for a whole class to make what they're like. Now, quick warning, because our material is always industrial offcuts, there's always a chance we don't have something. If you are ordering from us, then please let us know if there's something particularly you saw in the video you want, and we'll try and get it for you. But we always substitute very similar things. Thanks for watching.